Well, hello guys, welcome to another episode of LJ's Garage. Today we're going to be trying out this $20 Amazon foam cannon. So if you guys like slow-mo foam cannon footage, we're going to get this Corvette nice and clean, get it ready for this springtime weather that I'm hoping gets here sooner than later. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys how to get this car looking good. The first thing I got to say is if you can avoid it, try not to wash your car in direct sunlight. It makes it dry faster, that's how you get the hardened stains on there, the watermarks, all of that stuff, so stay in the shade. The recipe that I found that works the best for this foam cannon is to fill it to about this far, so about a tenth of this bottle, and then fill the rest with water. And so that's the recipe that I've been using, and it gets the best foam. Another cool thing, this little extendo brush. It's nice and soft, and I keep it pretty clean so that way it's not scratching up the paint or nothing like that. So if you guys don't have one of these, this one pops off, and you can actually put it like a little hand mitt. Works really nice and well. I recommend it. A couple more cool things. This little soft bristle brush right here, I got a cool trick I want to show you guys with this. And of course you got to have a standard regular sponge for when you need to really get into the nitty-gritties and get all the good stuff. So if you want a clean car, make sure you have the right tools. And I'm not loyal to any one product. I like to keep my shelf pretty stocked with whatever I can find. And you want to make sure you get this set up because as soon as you get the car pre-rinsed, you're going to want to get your foam going. I already found one downside to this Amazon one. The threads are a little funky, so you kind of got to make sure you get them on without cross-threading or anything like that. But set up and ready to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and just give the car a quick little hose down and get the dirt ready to be sprayed off. Now we got the foam cannon hooked up, ready to spray some foam. You just want to let it sit with the foam for probably about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, let it kind of work its way in. Then you grab your mitts and soaps and sponges and everything and just start lathering away and agitating all the dust and dirt and debris and all that good stuff, breaking it all up. And then before everything starts to dry, that's when you want to come on in with your sprayer and just hose everything off and everything should clean up nice. So you take your chrome wheel spray, give it a nice little spritz. Now it's time to hose everything off. Now's the point where I usually hand dry everything. Since the Corvette is 90% window, again, key is to make sure that you dry those windows, don't let them air dry, otherwise you get water stains all over your windows. So make sure they're nice and dry, and then I'll show you guys a cool little spray that I found that was tint friendly, and all that's gonna be left are your wheels. So go ahead and get your tires and everything all nice and shiny. I use this stuff.